Hey guys, so I'm back with part two. We got done with our mode. Look how beautiful that mode is. So this is what we're gonna do. After you've already moosed your hair, you put all your cute little details in. Look at the simple detail that we did in our mode. So simple. Look, this, when you have the perfect cut, you can do anything with your mode. So all I did was put some mousse on it. For some of you guys that are just coming in, I put mousse on it. I showed you guys how to wave. If you want to learn how to wave in this particular mode, go back in my previous video on how to mold and style your short hair. You're going to be impressed. This is a staple type of mold. Even if I didn't do nothing to my hair and I just put a little shine on it, people would love it because it just looks so classic. It looks so sleek. It looks so feminine, and it's so easy. So all you need is pretty much two products. You want to put some type of shine on your hair, whether it be a serum or a texture paste. So it's a couple things I like to use that you could use over the counter. If you don't have access to go to your stylist and get products that they like to use. I like to use a combination of a wax. So a wax will help lift up the hair. It gives you texture in the hair. So you could do something like a beeswax or a wave grease. Any type of pomade to do. But I'll tell you my secret. I love Royal Crown. It's an old school grease, but it works. It adds perfect shine on the type of if you have like a dense texture. Now, if you have a very fine texture, you want to stay away from greases that are very, very heavy. So maybe you want to do something like a light carrot oil or something like that, or sunflower oil, or just some type of serum where it's non-silicone or whatnot. So you could do something like that. Today, I'm going to be using one of my favorite hair serums, and that is Rubies. There we go. Rubies. This is like the bomb. Her name is LaShonda. She sells these and they're awesome. So if you want more information about Rubies, I can get that for you. But again, that's when I tell you this stuff is the bomb. Oh my God. I don't know what she puts in this stuff, but she calls it her love oil. So you could order it on her website. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of a dime size in there. And I'm just going to, my hair already had great shine to it, but I'm just going to put some shine in there. And then here comes the magic. All I'm going to do is use my fingers. That's all I need. And remember, because I did the swirl thing, look at how it automatically puts texture up in there. Look, all that texture. If I really want to get fancy with it, look, you lightly break up your details in the front. If I really want to get fancy with it and I'm having an issue with getting that texture in there, what I'm going to use is a texture paste. I like something like this. Today I'm using one of my Pure shampoos. One of my peers, she sells this. This is Free to Rock. I can have that information down for you guys, but if you can't get to this, you can get some Gorilla Snot. It's like pasty. I like it. It's called texture paste. Or you could use a TG stick or your pomade. And voila, my hair is done in less than 5 minutes. This is when you have the perfect cut. You got the perfect mold. Look at that. It's so pretty. It's so effortless. And when I tell you, people are going to be impressed, and you're going to save a ton of money. The average person, if they come into me about once a month and they're getting their cut, they're getting their relaxer and they rinse, and half of the time people know how to do that on their own, so that could really save you money. It saves you time. All you got to do is come in here every once in a while and have me maintain your hair. But just look at how nice that looks. That's the perfect mode. Look at that. You should be able to get in between your stylist with that. Really? You don't have to go to your stylist if you have a cut like this. I do this cut all the time. It's one of my signature cuts. It's the Signature Pixie. So if you're looking after this quarantine is up or just period, you want to come in and get a hairstyle done by me, please call 248-986-8761. Guys, I have so many other tutorials coming. I also do wigs. If you needed a wig that looked like this, I can totally make you a wig that looks like this and look real. So I want to make sure you guys are looking good while you guys are quarantined. You don't have to be looking crazy. And make sure you wrap your hair at night. What I like to do when I lay it flat, I'll use a do-rag. Because my hair, or I'll tie it all the way down. Then in the morning, it's going to lay flat like that. But then I'm going to get up in the morning and it's going to be voila, right back in place. Okay? All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial. Please, if you did not watch the previous video and you're just seeing, this is just a style video. This is part 2. So go back. You can go on YouTube and watch the video. On my channel, please subscribe. It's Christina Benjamin. I'll be starting to post more tutorials about hair care, about tips about alopecia, also how to use my wigs and how to put them on, how to apply them. So please make sure you leave this page and then go to YouTube and subscribe for me. I'm trying to get more information out, and let me know what you guys want to see. I'm always about trying to give away tips so my clients can look good and my potential students will want to come in. So help me by helping yourself and going to look at my video so you can get a better understanding of when you have the perfect pixie. There's no need to spend tons of money in the salon and hours in the salon. If you have the perfect cut, you can do this mode yourself. I promise you, with a couple little products, the right type of relaxer or the right type of hair care system for you, you can do this effortless. I didn't do anything but just style it with my fingers. I rarely put heat in my hair, so my hair is always healthy. All right. It's been fun styling with you guys. I'll see you soon. And you guys be safe out there. And I'm praying many blessings that God will cover us all in this time. In Jesus' name. Talk to you guys later. Bye.